Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. How is everyone today? I'm Sandy and I'm so happy you are here with me. Today I'm going to show you how to make our own light bulb and turn a plastic cup into a beautiful glam wall sconce, all blinged out. To start, I will list out the materials and, unless otherwise stated, all the materials for this DIY is from Dollar Tree or Dollarama. We will need one clear plastic container or cup. The one I have chosen has an extra wide opening and comes with a lid, but we will only be using the cup part. We will also need a small picture frame, a plastic champagne glass, a clear round Christmas ornament plastic ball, some silver glitter paper, silver ribbon, whatever design you have on hand will do, some clear acrylic diamond shaped gems, medium to large size, and some LED string lights. The smaller the battery pack, the better. The one I'll be using has a flat dime-sized battery that I found on Amazon. Bought in bulk, it cost about $1 a piece. And to help us with today's craft project, we will also need a soldering tool and a hot glue gun, both of which I bought from Amazon. To begin, disassemble the picture frame and set aside the entire frame except the cardboard backing, as that is the only part of the frame we will be using for today's wall sconce. That is because there is a hook at the back that we will be using to hang our wall sconce later. Using your hands, gently remove the leg from the cardboard backing. Then wrap the cardboard backing in silver glitter paper. Measure out and cut enough silver glitter paper to cover just the front of the cardboard backing. And while we work on this, I would like to take a moment to thank all the returning viewers to my channel for tuning in for today's craft project. If you are visiting for the first time, I would like to extend a warm welcome to you. And if you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified of my future DIY craft videos. Next, if you prefer, you can further embellish the cardboard backing by adding silver ribbon to frame the cardboard. We can also use the same ribbon to line the outer rim of the plastic cup. Next, hot glue some clear acrylic gems all around the base of the cup. Then, take one of the plastic champagne glasses and remove the base from the glass. Set the rest of the champagne glass aside as we will only be needing the base for our wall sconce. Using some hot glue, firmly adhere the flat part of the base to the bottom of the cup. Next, remove the cap from a Christmas ornament ball and apply some hot glue into the opening of the cap. Then insert the pointy end of an acrylic diamond-shaped gem into the opening of the cap. Alternatively, if you can't find an ornament cap, you could also opt for a clear acrylic gem-shaped doorknob. As you can see here, these two look pretty similar and either would make a beautiful topper for our wall sconce. Next, use some hot glue to adhere the topper to the champagne glass base. Let the glue cool to ensure it is secure. Our next step is to heat up the soldering tool and poke a hole right beside the base of the champagne glass. This is where we will feed the string lights into the cup. You will see shortly why. Once the string lights are fed through the hole, the final step is to continue feeding the string lights straight through the Christmas ornament opening, and then hot glue the ornament into the cup. And with that, we have our homemade light bulb. In order to hang the scones up, use some hot glue to attach one side of the cup to the cardboard backing. For this wall sconce, the cup will be attached to the cardboard backing upside down so that the opening to our homemade light bulb is exposed towards the opening at the bottom. We can tuck the battery pack behind the gap where the cup curves, creating a small gap between the cup and the cardboard backing. And here's the final look for our GLAM wall sconce. I think this would look great as a nightlight in the bathroom. Comment down below and let me know where you would hang this wall sconce. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY GLAM project. I hope to see you all soon.